Vishal, there is a question from Mrs. Sumit. Is it,
Great.
yeah, is it very
Yes,
hard to
yes.
share your, yeah, please. Can you
Great.
see that question?
1 second. Let me just go back to the chat box again.
It is very hard to share your personal feelings with someone. Everyone will
Mm-hmm.
make laugh of it. How we should come out of this situation?
Yes, Sumit. Beautiful question. I would say it's one thing that we are really, worried about when we want to share our heart out, right? We cannot trust anybody, right? If we tell you something, if I go ahead and tell you something, I don't know whether you take it seriously, whether you will help me, or whether you will, just go ahead and start spreading rumors around me. So there are a couple of things that you should know, right? First thing that, in fact, everybody in the audience should know that being depressed, having anxiety, having any kind of mental issues is not a taboo, right? Let me make it, let me repeat that again. It's not a taboo to be depressed, right? In case if you think that you really cannot trust anybody and you don't have that one person in front of you whom you can pour your heart out, it's really good to go ahead and take a professional counseling. Trust me, people in the western countries do it and they find it easier to relieve their stress because nobody's worried over there about about the colleagues, the family and things like those. So in case if you really think that there's nobody's going to help you out, why don't you try doing it? But Sumit, one thing also I would like to add it over here is there should be one person in your life whom you can trust. And trust me, if you are able to find that one person out of this scenario, you will have a friend forever. So while you always have an option to go for a professional counseling, I would request you to understand, see who is really caring for you, who really wants you to get out of that negative phase of life, and identify that person. So that's something that only you can do.